Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So we are starting with Nifty today. So Nifty did not go to any of our levels, but if you guys see, there's a tug of war going on between buyers and sellers here. So what happened on Tuesday? Sellers tried to bring it down on the last half an hour. Okay, and what happened today? The buyers tried to take it on the last half an hour. So what is happening here is buyers and sellers both are there's a huge fight going on between both is what I see here. So whoever wins is the side market's gonna decide to go. Okay, and if you guys see, this is a trend line. Trend line got broken here. Okay, broken, came down, and it did survive this place. Now it is here. So, and what happened today morning? It opened gap up. So I'm definitely going to consider this as a bullish momentum or a bullish sentiment on the market. If market if market crosses anywhere this level, tomorrow is going to be a bit crucial for me to trade. If market crosses 19,820, I'll definitely buy it. 19,820, I'll buy it, and below this candle will be my stop loss. Okay, so I know it's a pretty big stop loss. This is a 25 point of stop loss. Upside momentum, I don't know. Okay, I don't know till where it's gonna go. So this will be my trade for tomorrow. If it hits my stop loss, then I'll stay quiet and I'll trade only after 19,879 or 870. Okay, post that. So this is for Nifty, and if you guys see, there is a trend line going on in 1 hour time frame here, which is a very sharp trend line. This is a very sharp trend line. Sorry. So this is a very sharp trend line. Yeah, it's a very sharp trend line. So what is happening here is it is taking good support in this trend line and it's keep going up. We can even expect 2000 to be retested very soon if market keeps performing like this. But this sideway market should be should actually be closed down soon. Only then we'll be able to see a momentum on either side, that is up or down. So that's it for Nifty, and let's see on Bank Nifty today. Bank Nifty, we did get a trade in the morning. It was a beautiful trade, telling you. What happened once it broke here, I did not enter because I was waiting. Basically what I do is I trade on the second half. Okay, so here if you guys see, 11:30 market came here, it broke all this. So actually how my trade will look is, this is how my trade looks today. So here is where I entered after this swing got crossed. So my trade looks something like this. If you see in 5 minutes time frame, you guys will be able to see once this candle got closed here, I entered immediately. Okay, I entered immediately and I kept a stop loss of 50 points exactly. That is, this was my stop loss on Bank Nifty. Okay, and 1:3 I took it out. It achieved very quick. See, this is how my trade looks today. 1:3 I exited here. Two candles gave me like one, and second candle gave me really good. After that I trailed my stop loss. What happened, my rest of my quantity got hit here, exactly here. Rest of my quantity got hit. Okay, so I traded here, it came down. Okay, 1:3 I booked 90% of mine and only one lot I was holding it. What happened, it hit stop loss here on this candle. It hit stop loss, which is totally fine. Still this is a 1:1.5 trade. I was very happy with it. So tomorrow Bank Nifty is negative but Nifty is positive. Okay, you guys have to understand this. Bank Nifty is negative and Nifty is positive. So only if it sinks, both sinks, I am very confident. Okay, this was like, I shouldn't have taken this trade, to be honest, but because it broke my level I had to enter. That's it. Because it broke my level I had to enter. That's it, nothing else. So tomorrow again, how will I trade this is, if Bank Nifty opens flat, okay, opens flat somewhere here on the same zone, or if it retests this, that is, if it opens anywhere here and if it goes up and retest 43,525 to 520, I will definitely sell it again till this is my target. Okay, I'm not buying in Bank Nifty, I'm only selling in Bank Nifty. Okay, so that's it for Bank Nifty. Next, let's see US oil. US oil gave us a very good risk to reward ratio. 1:14 was captured. This basically 1:14. Here's where we captured and I exited fully. So logic behind this trade is, in 1 hour time frame, this was a trend line. Okay, trend line and a confluence here. If you guys see, this is a confluence in 15 minutes. If you see, this is a confluence. So many resistance here. Okay, the resistance was keep on struggling, and exactly here, that is 145 we entered here, we exited now. 1 is to 14 we exited. I'm not holding it anymore because there is a support here, so I'm not holding it. So let's see how this goes. And our key levels were also marked. Our key levels got crossed here. Exactly, this was our key level which got crossed, but I did not enter here again because risk to reward ratio did not suit me, so I did not enter. Now what is my next action is, if it crosses this, that is $73.70, I'll again short it. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. I short it, and this is where I'll book my profit. 1 is to 4, which is really good, but I'll wait for it. I'll definitely wait for it. This was a good trade, guys. Just like how this we captured, the same way we captured this today. It's simple. Trailing stop loss was more easier in this trade. It's because the pullbacks were very small. You see, first it came here, my stop loss was here. Okay, my stop loss was here. Then what happened? Actually, the first time when it reached 1 is to 2, it was on cost to cost. Next, I put my stop loss here. Then market did not even go there. It directly started going down. This pullback, my stop loss was here on this level. My stop loss was trailing stop loss. Then what happened? When this broke and this came up, still my stop loss was here. When this broke down, after this, I moved my stop loss to this level. Okay, now my stop loss should have been here, but I'm exiting the trade. It's because I think I'm done with the target. 1 is to 14 is more than enough. So I was happy, so I exited this trade. Next, my shorting level is $73. So I'm waiting for that level to be tested. Let's see gold. Gold, I did not get any trade today. But yesterday we exited here. After that, market is sideways today. If it crosses this, that is 2020, we will buy it. We should have bought it here, but I did not. I'm sorry, I did not see it. Should have bought it here, but good thing we did not buy because too many SLs are happening here. Let's see. And another thing is, on the first break I don't buy. It's because I know the first time market is testing, the resistance or support will be strong. Okay, it will be strong. If it keeps on if it's like second touch or third touch, then I'm confident enough to buy more. So this is the first one, this is the second one, that's why I did not buy. The third one I did not enter because it was not available. And after that, what happened? Market was volatile. I was focused more on crude oil today than this. That's why I did not get to trade this. So if it crosses 20 and 2 and sustains, okay, it should sustain 1 or 2 or 3 candles should be here. Only then I'll buy it, or I'm not buying on gold. Next one is swing trading. We have 4 stocks for swing trading on daily time frame. First one's Voltas. Voltas is giving a breakout. It was on a downtrend, then here it consolidated. Now after consolidation is giving a breakout, so I'll be purchasing it at 850. My stop loss will be at 830. Okay, 850 and 830, and it is a good pattern. That is this is called as a pennant. Let's see how it goes. Next one is HDFC Life Insurance. HDFC Life Insurance is giving a pole and flag. I see this is a pole and this is a flag. Okay, so pole and flag breakout. Pole and flag is considered one of the very successful, one of the very high win rate patterns. So definitely not missing on this. Even if it hits stop loss, it's totally fine. So I am entering at 669 or 670, and my stop loss will be at 652 or 650. Alright, so next one is Bosch Limited. Bosch Limited on a weekly time frame is giving a breakout. If you guys see, this was a trend line which got broken here, retested, now it's going up, and this is a bullish part. It is bullish, guys. It's keep on giving higher and higher. There are no lows are not forming. Okay, so sellers are not interested in this, so only buyers are interested. So I will definitely buy post 20821. Okay, so this stock moves kind of slow, and the investment requires a lot because it's 20,000 rupees a stock. So I'll be buying what, hardly 2 or 3 quantity, not more than that. So let's see how this goes. Next one is Bata India. Bata India I've traded a lot, but the problem with Bata India is I've had most of my Bata India trades are mostly hit stop losses, because manipulation kind of thing happens in Bata India stock according to me. You see, this is a trend line on weekly. On a daily time frame, it has a different trend line. This is a trend line in daily. So even if it crosses this, the potential will be like 1700, and there is a high probability it might come down. Let's see, I would not buy this for now, but this is on the radar because it is consolidating here. Simple. Okay, it's consolidating here, and this is the second touch. If you guys see on a daily time frame, this is the second touch for it, this trend line. So let's see, post 1620 25, on the post 1625 I might consider this, but I'm not very sure about this stock. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Tomorrow's video is going to be very interesting. It is on psychology. I really want to cover it up. Okay, if you just master that one skill, you can make great money in market. So I hope you guys got some information in this video. I hope you guys like my content. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Your support will be appreciated. Take care. Bye bye.